Santa Claus has been very kind to Gigaparts, allowing us to get our hands on these cards to be able to sell them to you in person. That's right, we're not selling them online, we're not letting them go to anyone else, and we are limiting one card per person this Saturday. For instance, this RTX 3070. This card will make an excellent present for just about anybody on your list. Graphic design, video gaming, virtual reality, this thing can do it all. Maybe you're looking to get into flight simulators? Yep, that too. This Saturday here at Gigaparts. Be there or be square. We open up at 9 a.m. Be sure to be here early because these cards will only last as long as supply does. And here's the best part. Cards such as this, $569.99, that's amazing. And we're only able to do it in person here in store. And of course, as the legal teams told me, yes, I have to say this, one card per person, and no, we're not selling to robots. Gigaparts is located at 1426B Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west.